Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome back to my amazing channel. So today is gonna be a quick gang look. This look was everything you guys asked for. So first, I was starting with my bros like normal. But guys, if you are watching and you've not subscribed, you're sleeping on yourself, guys. And I'm sorry because I was always looking at one part of the camera and I forgot to focus on the other part. So guys, I'm so sorry. But this was me. It was a live video with my friends again. We were on TikTok, and this time they brought out a particular look they asked everybody to do, and it was yellow and purple. I was like, you guys know I don't like this too much colorful look. Even if I like color, don't be all this kind of thing. And it was crease. With this kind of my eyelid, which cut crease. They was like, yes. So I was like, yeah, this is a challenge. Let me do it, and your girl did it perfectly. So this was me. I was dipping my eyes into the picture they brought up. I was looking at it. So quick, I went in to conceal my eyebrow. I was just doing something. I was just doing a normal eyebrow today. But guys, I learned something. Yeah. Now I see why makeup artists do their eyebrow after the entire makeup. You can see this eyebrow right now is looking nice. After applying my foundation, the powder, everything, the shape of this eyebrow would not be seen again, as if something else has happened to it. So I think I will follow my guests and start doing eyebrow after the entire makeup. So I apply more concealer on my eyelid. I don't know if they call this place. So guys, I beg, if you are watching, subscribe. My words they fail me, but don't worry, I will research, okay, and come back to you guys. So today I was doing something different. I was going to apply my eyeshadow first before the entire process of makeup. Unlike usual, I used to finish my makeup and apply eyeshadow and lipstick. But today, now I was just setting down the under of my brow, under of my brow with a powder palette. It's a lighter color for my powder palette. It was a light color. This color was lighter than my original skin tone for my powder palette, so that the under of my eyebrow will pop out. It's going to give it a different look. Yeah, that's one I was using to set the under of my eye. It was nice. So I went in with black. Oh guys, I went in with black. I blend it out like so. Take your gun out of here, my guy. I'm sorry, so somebody's using the rubber gun to play with me. And I was applying it like so. I was trying to blend it up because I want to make this eyeshadow so beautiful. So the best way to get the best out of your eyeshadow is to blend. When it comes to eyeshadow, if you have fasty probably like me, like somebody like me, I'm always fast in everything I do. Fast. I don't know how to slow down. I'm learning it. Not that I'm an adult and a mom, I'm learning patient. But all my things are fast. So if you're somebody like me, when it comes to eyeshadow, you go learn now, or else your eyeshadow will not be given. So I was applying this eyeshadow and I noticed it was not dark enough. So I switched it to another powder palette. Another eyeshadow palette, and I find this beautiful color. You can see the difference in between. I fast forward this video because I want it to be fast, because this process for me, I was just taking my time off. So with fast forward, it went well for me. So I applied this. I cut the crease like this. So when I cut the crease with my eye, I was like, no, anytime I close my eye, this thing will just hide. So I went in and take it a little bit upper. Yeah, this one was small. This will be fine for some persons who have small eyelid, who have this small eyeshadow base area. But for me, my own, I will not say it's too big. But if I open my eye, this crease when I cut, you go your eye, just take a look. And my friend was like, no, you go take and go up. So I start to drive myself up a little bit. I was taking it up, and after I took it to an lesson and I opened my eye and I was like, okay, this is it. It's okay like this. So next time I won't be fighting here. See, I was opening my eye like this. I was opening my eye. So I went in with another brush again. I was reshaping it because I want them to look firm. I want it to look firm. I was telling my friend, look at my eye, oh. So I went in with a clean brush to just blend that as I cannot use beauty blender here, and I just want to small to move everything. I went in with a clean brush and I was just tapping on it, taking out the excess, making it flawless. So when my eyeshadow come to sit with, so I went in with yellow. Although they tell me the yellow I have was not yellowing, this one was so light, and the yellow they wanted to use was yellow that was like in between orange and yellow, burnt burnt yellow. I never heard that one before. I only know burnt orange. So my own yellow was bright, but it was fine. I swear it was fine. Everybody was like, "Ah, Anita, you're a makeup artist, so I want your own be so beautiful." These guys are learning. These guys are learning. So I went there and I was just feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. And my kids were everywhere. Mind it was Sunday evening, everybody was at home. There was no other place for me to do this makeup. So I kind of I came to my kitchen. You can see that ketchup at my back. I came to my kitchen and I was just having the best of my time, guys. I was just having the best of my time. So if you are watching, you've not subscribed, subscribe to your girl. I took out my eyeliner and I went in with a black gel. Since I discovered this black gel, eyeliner no dey stress me again. Before it used to stress me because even before I finish, it start drying up, it to be kicking, to be. But with this eyeliner, I was telling somebody else, one of our students who is also learning, so we tell them what to do. I was telling her to use an eyeliner, black gel as an eyeliner. It's just take a look at it. It's move very, very easy and it dry up easily. But if you are using the normal eyeliner, the normal eyeliner will not give you this flawlessness. It will dry and it will be sticky. So I went with another audio, like this yellow I have is okay. So guys, I was fixing this eyeshadow, this eyelash, but the eyelash was very big and I don't know, it did not stick to the eye. So I took it off and I went with the smaller one. See, I took it off. It has almost messed my makeup, so I went with the smaller one. And the smaller one, it just takes, see now, instant, it just fits. It just fits. If I wasn't makeuping myself, I would go in again with another eyeliner to correct that on top of the eyelash. But I'm makeuping myself, bending my eyelash, it will give me stress. So I went with foundation. This foundation I use is normally used for somebody who has oily skin, not for somebody like me who has matte skin. My skin is dry, frown. My skin is dry, my lips are always dry. So if I want to use something, I'll use something that has more oil in it. But that one I was using was caking for people who have oil in their skin. It's helped their skin to look matte and the makeup will not move, but it's later come out very nice because the foundation I used was from ZK. They have different type. They have for oily skin, they have for dry skin like myself. So I'll just apply my contour. Today I want to do something more defined, like something more firm. This highlighter I was using, it's a foundation as an highlighter, but it gave me what I wanted. It was just a shade away from my skin. Because the eyeshadow is already bright, I would not want to add something too bright again to my skin. No, I wanted it to come, and the lip was matte. When I say matte, the lip was matte. So today I did not go in with any cream blush. I went in with my contour. I like me some good contour. Your girls had added with, but with this contour, go see with this contour, the contour will give me that defined facial look I want. Take it, look at this face now. See, so I was trying to do the same so that my both cheek will not look different. If I don't contour this this area of my head, they come out nice. So I went in with that contour. Then the remaining on the brush, I'll use it to align my nose, to give myself that snatch nose. See now, isn't this nice? This was everything you guys asked for. So I start to blend though. I don't get time to shake time. I did blend. I like this particular beauty blender I'm using. It's a big one, but it's so soft. Like it's so soft, so you can press it as you want. It's so soft. So I was just blending like this. I keep blending. I was already loving myself. Like I was like, wow, I think I will be doing more of this look like eyeshadow before full makeup. I was just feeling myself. I was just feeling. I just loved it. The way the makeup was sitting on my face was giving me everything. I did not do cream blush today, but I did powder blush. So I went in with a lighter powder, a lighter shade of powder. To those areas I did highlighter on. It's work like that. When you do highlighter on your face, you go in with a lighter powder that will match those areas. A light powder. So I did like so. It was so nice. So I used the color that matched my skin for the other part of my face and went back to contour. I went with a darker shade of powder to contour my. You see, I was using it. I wasn't using it everywhere, so I went with a darker shade. You can see it was obvious. I went with a darker shade to contour my cheekbone to give me that facial look I wanted. Because today I didn't come to play. I was fucking serious, guys. Look at the way my face is giving face. So I already started with my blush before I forgot the video was not playing. So I was just still touching it while I take you guys along. So now I was snatching my face. So if you know the snatching, you're sleeping on yourself, baby. This was it. This was it. I did that on the other part of my face, this particular area. Why did I do it like that? Not to my mouth. It gave me this skeleton look. This is the latest way to apply your setting powder on your cheekbone, because your cheekbone did not come to your mouth. Your cheekbone was like the same way I apply. So I don't keep it on my face like that. I just take it off. I just take it off. I take it off, but at the same time, taking it off, it's already there. But I don't want too much of it. I only leave the nose area. Yes, I leave the nose area under the eye, but the rest, but I will just take them off like so. Yes, I leave the nose area. I want the nose to be more snatched. So I was taking another clean brush to just take away excess of that. I was not satisfied. This one was okay, but the other part was so bright. So I also later went into it with a powder palette. I know see this, but I forgot now. Okay. I went in with a white concealer or my waterline, a white concealer. But this shade go into my eye. It could just enter my eye, and my vision will be bloated, like I cannot see properly. So I was adding yellow eyeshadow on it. Look at the way I'm blinking my eyes. I was adding yellow eyeshadow on it. After adding yellow eyeshadow on it on both sides, I went in with the purple eyeshadow again to clean under the eye before I went to my mascara. Mascara will give you that defining look, but I went in with this with glitter under that purple under the eye, but I did not do it on this video. After I end this video and me and my friends were talking, I was like, yeah, there's purple under the eye. So I went in with that, and I have that video on my TikTok channel, but I did not do it. It's really came out nice. Probably I might add that TikTok video at the end of this video, so you see the way it was fine. I'll just try to add a TikTok video at the end of this video so you can see the way the sequence under the eye was given. So I was at this part, I was telling my friend, what lip are we going to do? She was like, anything new, anything, this eyeshadow is already given, so anything new. So I went to with brown. I wanted to do this my normal way of doing my lipstick, but I was like, no. Let me do something else. Yeah, like this. Stick out to me. I just draw it. Or I did not. I used to give that shape. I used to put it on top of my lip, like make my lip like lip line. I line my lip, make my lip very, very bold on top of it. So I just go in with my brown lip liner. It's an eye pencil, eyeshadow, eyebrow pencil. This was concealer. I saw it on one girl on Instagram. She blended it in. It was wow. So I did it on myself. This my concealer I used was bright, but trust the process, motherfucker. It came out nice. After blending, I wanted to add a little bit of darker shade of concealer to it, like orange, but it did not give me what I was looking for. I thought it was too whitey for me. So yeah, this one was a little bit dark, but when I applied it was more white. I was like, no baby, this is not what I wanted. This is not what I went in again with another one. It was very, very well. I was like, okay, now what are we doing? What are we doing? This one came out. This one was supposed to give it like pinky look, but it came out white. I was like, oh motherfucker. So that wasn't the end of this video. I was like, no. So I took out of it because it was much. I cleaned from it, and I went in with my wet lip. After applying it, I discovered I have too much of it. So I have too much of it in my mouth. I don't want my teeth to stay. I better took it out, but I just realigned that lip area. It was touching my mouth. I don't want my teeth to stay. So I just did like this. And it was bump. So I went in with a red wet lip. It's a wet lip. Oh, it was red. Look at the way it changed this look. It was giving me everything I ever needed. So your girl want to go style her hair. So first thing I did was to spray my face. I sprayed my face, and I was just loving this look. My mom was telling me this look is fine, but isn't it too bright? I was like, okay, we are on a makeup tour here. We want to break Guinness Book of Record. Please, let the beautiful ladies breathe. So that place was too obvious for me. Or I went to the powder, a little bit of dark powder to just calm the hell out of it. But in the year, so after applying this powder like this, I went in to spray it. Yeah, this one was okay, but that one was, yeah, nice, better. Now it was giving me better vibes. So I sprayed this outside camera, and this was the finished look. So guys, see you on my next video. Please subscribe to this channel, share with your friend, give me your honest opinion. Okay guys, give me your honest opinion. How do you see this makeup? Love you, kisses. Mwah.